carpets so clean you'll think they time traveled. The ultimate deep cleaning machine. Ever looked at your carpet and wondered if it's secretly hiding an entire history of spills, pet accidents, and mystery stains? Meet the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner, the beast of deep cleaning that doesn't just clean your carpet, it restores it. Packed with an XL DirtLifter PowerBrush, a 9-inch long hose, and a 6-inch tough stain tool, this powerhouse pulls dirt from the depths of your carpet fibers like a pro. It even outperforms the leading rental cleaners, saving you time, money, and the horror of stepping on a damp, still dirty rug. Why settle for weak, rental-grade machines when you can own a professional deep cleaner built for maximum power? This sturdy, anti-tip design houses a 12-amp motor and rotating dirt lifter brushes that scrub like a champ, lifting even the nastiest, oldest stains. Whether it's wine spills, muddy paw prints, or that coffee catastrophe from last month, Big Green doesn't judge, it just erases. Plus, it cleans both forward and backward, cutting your cleaning time in half while drying carpets faster than the competition. Ever rented a carpet cleaner and spent half your time refilling the tank? Not here. With a massive 1.75-gallon tank, you'll clean more, refill less, and finish faster. Plus, it comes with Bissell Pro Max formula, designed with stain protect technology, so your carpet isn't just clean, it stays cleaner longer. The included stain tool and 9-foot hose let you tackle stairs, upholstery, and tight corners without breaking a sweat. Every purchase even supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets. Most carpet cleaners leave behind a soapy residue that turns your floor into a dirt magnet, not this one. Big Green sucks up every last drop of grime without leaving anything behind. Customers rave about its effortless maneuverability, rugged durability, and the fact that it actually works, unlike flimsy alternatives. No more battling weak suction, soggy carpets, or machines that quit halfway through. This tank of a cleaner is built for real homes with real messes. If you've tried every other method, sprays, scrubs, rentals, and still have stains that refuse to leave, this is your sign to upgrade. The Bissell Big Green is worth every penny, turning dirty carpets back to their former glory with zero hassle. Why waste money renting when you can own the deep cleaning king? Get yours today and give your floors the clean slate they deserve.